Yeah, madam, you can start.
Yeah. Sheila madam, can you continue or you will stop?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will continue. But before that, ma'am, can you share again sentences?
Hello.
Yes, yes. We are listening, ma'am. Can you share these sentences again?
Okay. Here I am getting post-disabled
Okay, 1 minute.
participants
Yeah,
trained.
1 minute. I'm giving you permission. Okay. Yeah, you can.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, madam, you can now.
Okay. Okay, madam. Sheila madam, continue.
Yes. My sixth sentence is my grandmother is a very good cook. My seventh sentence is I spend my weekend usually watching movies. And my last sentence is my students are get placed in core companies. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
I think my last sentence is wrong, ma'am. My students are getting place in core companies.
Okay. Madam,
May.
Kalpana madam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. The weather was very bad, so I cancelled my ticket. I am interested in group discussion. We cancelled our ticket due to Corona. I asked my mother to make my favorite dish. I don't like people who are backbiting people. My grandmother was very kind. The- I I spend my weekend usually in farmhouse. My students are very smart. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Sir, anyone?
Ma'am, may Subhash Pal, can I?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, the first sentence is the weather was very bad, so I did not feel like going out. Second one, I am interested in playing cricket. We cancel our ticket because the place where we wanted to visit was clamped under curfew. I asked my mother to give a glass of water. I don't like people who waste their time gossiping. My grandmother has been suffering from illness for long. I spend my weekend usually with my families. My students are very good at maths.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, I'm ready to tell.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Nagesha, sir, please.
my first sentence is the weather was very bad, so I stayed at home yesterday. I'm interested in writing songs. We canceled our tickets because we couldn't reach on time. I asked my mother to help how to cook. I don't like the people who tell lies. My grandmother was passed away. I spend my weekend usually with my family. My students are good at English. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 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 continue.
Yogesh. The ma'am, first sentence is like I am interested in participating this show. The second one is we cancel our ticket because weather was very bad. I asked my mother make some delicious dish. And fourth one, I don't like people who don't keep his word. And fifth one is my grandmother always told us the fairy tale story.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, anyone? Yes.
Ma'am, Manisha.
Continue.
Okay. I'm interested in machine learning. I asked my mother where to go. My grandmother is a teacher. I spend my weekend usually at Ganga Ghat. My students are very punctual.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Sir, now I want to shift to the another program, that is interviewing program. So you can select your partner, and I will give you a topic to speak each other, to converse each other. So who is going to interview whom, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Sir,
Yogesh,
the
sir.
topic is life in apartment, sir. Topic is life in apartment.
Sorry?
Topic is life in apartment.
Life
Apartment.
is important.
Life in apartment.
Living in apartments. Living in apartments.
Yes, yes. Sir, Yogesh Mishra, sir.
Can I ask? Okay, are you ready, sir?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yogesh, sir. Are you
Yeah,
ready?
yeah, sir. Yes, sir, yes, yes, sir.
So nowadays, living in apartments are very casual. So, what is your opinion? Would be good for us? Which is better, living in apartment or living in separate house? Which is better? What is your opinion?
Uh, in my point of view, sir, living in his apartment is a good if it is the in our own. You know, it's a very good. If you are going to take in on a rent, if you are living on a rent apartment, then we have to give us some charges, rent charges. Okay, but in my case, what I suggest to the people, then instead of giving the some rent, then we can give the some EMI. Then one day that apartment should be ours, like that.
So
So
I
I
think
think living in apartment is a very good idea.
okay, I think if we don't have any ground like places for playing or something, so how do you feel?
Sorry, we don't have like.
So at your apartment, if you don't have any ground like the
Making
vast
your own
place,
vegetables, playing.
yes. So
Playground.
how is your feeling?
Uh,
So is it
it's a feeling,
good or bad?
it's always feeling bad because we all want to the apartment. Okay, then it's a feeling hard. Everyone wants the one apartment to live and some earning money to eat. Like that. So it's a necessary
So
thing.
okay. Do you feel the relationships in the apartments are uh, good, or uh, so? What do you think about the relationships? Uh, do the people have the good relationships at apartments?
I don't feel so because in apartment they live in their own apartment. Okay, they don't want to talk with the other person who's neighborhood. They work with own. They go to their work and come onto a house. They don't know what is going on to in their neighbor. So it is not good, but it is only for the who live in a nuclear family. It is good for that. But who live as a joint family, they need the house or we can the bungalow type rooms here. It should be a joint family that is not require the apartment.
Yes. Would you like to ask me something about on that?
So what is your thought on this living in an apartment?
So I think in now generation because of so increasing the population and the city life, it should necessary for everyone because we won't have any capability to buy some individual houses in that cities. So for being a small employee, so living in an apartment is better. But some and the other side of for health problem or relationships are decreasing. So this is the thing, and so sometimes I feel like we don't get some fresh air there. I think because there are crowded in apartments. many people are living in that apartment, and so that is my opinion.
Sir, what would you prefer, nuclear family or joint family with relief?
A joint family is better because relationships. I think relationships are better for us because so it gives us happiness and so it is better. I think.
Sir, do you think the joint family always there is some misunderstanding between the family, which can be a more part, uh, it can be occur in a quarrel. So it is not better
Yes,
than
yes.
we can live in a nuclear, then we can contact with them.
But those are quite common because sometimes we get some misunderstandings. But when have some good relationships like sharing feelings and all things about our family, and so that would help us to live happily with our family.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank
now
you,
I
sir.
want to change another topic. How I spent my lockdown days. Uh, any two people have to converse on this topic. Anyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
May I? Yeah,
Nityanand,
ma'am.
and who will converse with Nityanand?
Okay.
Me, ma'am.
Who is
Okay, Illara.
Illa, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay. You can ask me, ma'am.
okay, so how do you spend your time these days, Nityanand?
Actually, yeah, I read books and you can see what is
Yes.
it. I
Puzzles.
solved this cube.
Chromatics.
Yeah, ma'am. In the
So
lockdown period, I learned it how to
you
solve.
so how many
Rudimentary.
yes, how many time
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
you take to solve this?
Ma'am, now I take it 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Wow, that's great. So after that, what do you do?
So actually, study. Actually, my daily work is reading, ma'am. Reading
Oh,
and some kind of a study.
okay. So what did you learn from this lockdown? New things.
Okay, new thing that is Rubik's cube solve,
Yes.
and another thing is uh, I cook
Wow,
with my
that's
mom.
great.
Learned
So,
Yes.
uh,
And what do
so
you
my test.
okay, tell?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
No, tell.
Okay, ma'am. So my every dishes now become more tasteful.
Wow. So do you eat fish? You are Bengali, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you learn how to cook fish?
Yes, ma'am. I cook fish. I can cook.
Yes, that's great.
Mhm.
And how is your how are you working on your goal now this time? Because you got
Yeah.
lot of time now. So what are you thinking about your future and what are you doing now for that?
Yeah, ma'am. As I told you, I read and I study for my future, and my ambition want to be a teacher. That's why I am reading book and
Wow.
study for. Yeah.
In which subject are you do you want to be a teacher? In which subject do you
No,
want
ma'am.
to teach?
Actually,
Yes.
ma'am, I love to teach the primary level student. Like,
Okay.
ma'am, I want to be a primary teacher because I love to teach the primary student.
Okay, that's great. You can ask me anything now.
Okay, ma'am. So, how many dishes you can prepare, and new dishes you learn from your lockdown period?
Yes, Nityanand, I love to cook and I usually love to cook non-veg food and I tries I used to see YouTube video and every day I try to make some new dishes, and also I look after the healthy recipe. That's important.
Okay. It's a nice thing actually.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Or
And
anything.
anything? Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Ask.
And last question is, anything new? You learn anything new in the lockdown
Yes,
period?
in lockdown period, I learned so many things. How to use your time in your day-to-day life, how to manage everything, to organize, and I do some paintings. I try a lot of new things, and I got time to learn so many things from YouTube, and I get this class also, because when we are free, we are used to go outside every time, but now these days we are at home, and I'm learning so many things in this time, and this time is very useful now.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you
you,
very much.
Nityanand.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you very much who are participated in this conversation. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
now, generally we use this time for general discussions. My topic is for general discussion. Reservation in education, employment, and legislature will empower the women. This is for general discussion.
Please repeat again.
Sir, reservation in education, employment, and legislature will empower the women. Sir, Prakash sir, can you explain that? Hello.
You are muted,
Please
sir.
turn on your video, sir. Audio, sir. Please turn on your audio.
Yeah. Actually, I know the interest of these all people, and in my opinion, these are not interested in this topic.
Okay, sir. Then I will change the topic.
Because I can read faces.
Can I
Okay,
give
sir.
a topic for discussion?
Okay, if you want to give, you can.
Yeah. Sir, actually, yeah. When I searched a pronunciation of a particular word in Google, then I find 3 types of accent: British, American, and Indian. So my question is that which one should we follow? Which pronunciation we should follow? Sorry.
I think so.
Is this the topic or you want to answer? You want to answer the question?
No. I give this topic to you all to reply on
Give
this.
your opinion.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Now the ball in your court, sir.
First, I want to request Prakash sir to give his opinion on this.
Okay, it's a really very nice question, and a few days ago we discussed about this topic.
Yes.
Which pronunciation is better? Okay, when you go to the Scotland, they have Scottish, Australian. All people have different accents. Yes or no? But it depends on
Yes.
you. Where are you from, and what type of English you have studied, and with whom you are speaking first. Okay.
Yes.
And in my opinion, we should never try to copy the different accent, because our own accent, so that is our identity. So we should not change our identity. Okay, we are using English language to communicate. Whenever you speak something in English and other person can understand easily, then why should we change our pronunciation? Why should we change our accents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir, right.
So what do you think now, Lakshmi, about that? That's my personal opinion.
Yeah, I also think the same because while native speaker English speaker will learn a new language like Hindi, then also they will not able to speak like us.
Yeah.
So same thing
Yes.
happened in learning English, spoken English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, when
Yes.
Donald Trump came to Gujarat, he pronounced Modi like the Modi.
Modi.
Not he they never
Yes,
say
yes.
Modi, he say Modi.
He did
Modi.
lot of
Modi.
mistakes, sir. He did lot
Yeah.
of mistakes.
Yes, sir.
They
Okay.
couldn't. They
They
can't.
can't
But
pronounce
we
the
can
pronounce
understand
like.
he wants to talk about Narendra Modi. Okay. So that's enough.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
One more
English.
thing I want to share with you. Actually, one more thing I want to share with you. After talking with many native English speakers, we realize that something is missing in our conversation. That is called the phrases. Phrases which are used by native English speakers. So that is more
Yes,
important to
sir.
learn, not for not
These
accents.
are not in books. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, so now I have been I'm working on that things, and I have already made a long list. We are going to teach after completing this cycle. We are going to discuss here, and actually I'm going to make personal video. But now I'm very busy with my school work. I'm busy with my personal class. That's why I cannot make it. But content is ready. So when you complete this three cycle, actually 30, 30, and 30, I have made a list of 90 phrases, and I have just applied in my classroom, and my students' English is far better than before. So just a few
Sir,
minutes
I
ago,
want to
Dilarani
share
was using
something.
that's great, that's wonderful, oh, amazing. So if you use this type of phrases in your conversation, then your conversation will be more natural. Yeah, Ilarani.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, yesterday night I saw a dream, and there I was talking in fluent English, and uh, so that make me very happy. So I want to share this feeling. I hope I will be able to speak that English very soon.
Yeah. And to be honest,
Yes.
let me tell you,
So
we all have improved
Yes.
our English. We all have got confidence, but now we need something more. Okay. So that is called phrases.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, Santa madam.
sir, I want to ask one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you have talked so much with the native speaker.
Yeah.
Have you ever feel any misunderstanding that what they want to say and what you have understand? Means they want to say something because of their pronunciation. They want
Yeah.
to say something else. We can understand there's something else. They want to say wa. I mean they want to we WERE. But how can we understand if we don't know about the pronunciation?
No, it never happened.
So that's
Rarely
why
it
I'm
happened.
asking.
I don't think so. It happened because every native English speakers appreciated my English.
Yes, sir, I have seen it. That's why I'm
Yeah.
asking, sir.
Yes.
Have
Yes.
you ever
No.
felt like that?
No.
No. Okay.
Okay. And after, okay, then I made one mistake. I must accept this mistake. After talking with those people, I thought that I should change my pronunciation, but now I realize that I don't need to change pronunciations. English is enough. You must have good English. You must have good structures. You must
Yes.
have good phrases
Yes.
to talk with that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it means, sir, if we have command on our English, then we can easily communicate with them.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So we
Okay.
must have good command. Okay.
Yes.
Accent you can change anytime. You need little time, but language you cannot learn in short time.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
10,000 hours required, sir,
Yes.
to be a
Yeah.
master.
Yeah, 10,000 hours. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, madam.
We already discussed about this pronunciation and all
Yes.
in
Yes.
before
Yes.
sessions.
Yes.
Yeah, there also I told all our platform users, English is only for communication, not for anybody's acceptance.
Yeah.
When we go anywhere, there we communicate and we have to satisfy them or not satisfaction. They understand us or not is enough.
Yeah, but we should work on our pronunciation. Okay, we should try to
Okay, sir.
improve our pronunciation. That's
Yes, yes.
actually that's the
Because
process of learning that.
Generally in our
Better
English,
best.
so many pronunciation mistakes are there. I too accept such because we learned so many mistakes, pronunciation mistakes here in our schools. So nowadays we are changing. So our youngsters are changing the pronunciation. So now I want to ask one discussion point. English should be compulsory in government schools. Is it compulsory?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
It should be compulsory.
it should be compulsory.
So okay, start a discussion on this point.
I think nowadays in government school also students are learning English.
Yeah, we have general English.
Generally we have.
Actually,
Generally
I
we
studied
have a subject. A subject is there, but I am thinking, speaking about medium of instruction.
Yes,
Okay.
Is it necessary?
So
ma'am.
Okay.
English medium. I think nowadays in this 21st century, English medium is very important because
right.
in whole world, English is a second language. People are speaking English, so English is a second language. So I think it's very important. And if in India, if a student will learn a whole schooling in English medium, then they got confidence about English, because our native language is very different, and in professional life and in world we speak English. That's why English medium is very important. But with that, our native language also important, because in our country our identity means our main language is Sanskrit and Pali language. So Sanskrit and Pali language is the base of English language. So we never miss that language also. So it is both language are simultaneously important, but in this 21st century, English medium is very important. That's
in my opinion, English is necessary, and it should be there in his government school. But problem is that in our village, government school are also there, and in village people are not able to learn English, because there is a government rule that nobody should be failed up to 8th class. So they didn't know Hindi, or how to write Hindi, or some students are like that. They didn't write their name, and they passed 8th class. So if we apply English there as a medium, so I think many of them never understand that. And there is a, we can say it's take too long time to convert government school into English medium school. In cities, it's okay, but in our village, it's very difficult to convert government school into English medium school. It's my opinion, because I saw many village students.
Yeah, excuse me, we have 10 minutes left, and let me conclude this whole thing now, because I have been working on this English language for many years, and I studied ABCD in 8th standard. Okay, last time I told you this whole thing. And after completing graduation, I started learning English. What is real English? Okay, so I strongly believe that our primary education must be in our mother tongue. If you are from Kerala, then your primary education must be in your mother tongue. If you are from Gujarat, then your primary education must be in Gujarati. Because you can think a lot, you can express everything in your mother tongue. But when you express in your second language or another language, you have limitations to express your feelings and your ideas. Okay, again, I want to tell you, English is an international language, means you want to communicate with other people, but not at early age. You don't need to communicate with people at early age because you don't have great ideas until you are 10 years or 8 years. So when you complete your graduation, that time you will be able to share your ideas. So you should start learning English after 8 or after 8. And we should not teach this thing as a subject. We should teach English as a language, how to develop fluency, how to use this language to communicate, not to cram rules and regulation, how to make change into active to passive, how to change direct to indirect, like that.
Sir, I also support on this. And I read actually an essay on importance of learning mother tongue.
Yeah.
So there I found this all. And if implementing English completely in our school, it will it has a bad impact on our mother tongue because it will gradually disappear if we only speak English.
Yeah.
It is also a bad
Lakshmi, and personally I want to say our mother tongue is our identity. That is our culture. Actually, that's a part of our culture. Our language is the part of our culture. How can we forget our culture? We need English language as a tool, okay, as a language. We shouldn't be Englishman. We shouldn't change our culture, okay, because our culture is far better than Western people, far better than Western people. We need English language. We need English language. That's why we are learning, okay. But we should not forget. We should not forget our mother tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sir,
I want to give you
those
example
In
of
our
Israel.
new education
Israel,
policy
okay.
2020,
Yeah, Israel.
Yeah.
Okay, in Israel, Hebrew, just almost that language. You know, that time when they made their own separate country in 1948. Then they started everything in Hebrew. Now you can see the Israel. Where is Israel and where we are? We got freedom in 1947. They also made their separate country in 1948 or 1947. So almost Hebrew was that, but now they are the leading, in everywhere world. Which universities are in the leading position? Israeli. In the other countries also, if you just do the research, then the people are, Jewish people, Yahudi people are leading people in the education field.
Yes,
Because
sir.
they respect
Those are
their
very
language.
intelligent.
They
Yes, sir.
learn other language to do business, not to change their culture.
Culture.
Yeah.
Right.
So what is your identity? If you forget your culture, then what is your identity then? Yes or no? Okay, so we have very less time.
Yes.
Actually, it is a big topic. We will share our ideas. So let's come to our main topic. Really, I am so happy with the work of Santa Madam. She did a great job. So what is your
Thank
opinion
you,
about
sir.
today's Santa Madam's class? Yeah. Let's start with
It's
Nageshwar.
excellent.
Then
so,
I personally enjoyed a lot.
I committed a mistake. Sorry for that. I didn't give Anu's any chance to speak. He didn't
Now
Doesn't
2
matter.
minutes left. Anuj can say.
We all have
Actually,
wrote
ma'am,
back.
I was not available for some time. That's why I didn't participate. It's not your fault, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sir, in this session, I was curious from the starting until now. I'm very curious.
Yeah.
Actually, it
And
is very
personally,
interesting session.
Yes.
yes, because madam
What a
have
great
prepared
topics.
like that.
How did she start? She start with a great interest. She started with game.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, right.
Then she taught her one new thing, homophones.
Yeah, right, sir.
Homophones. Then
She
some
totally
structures and
connect all of us.
yeah. So well designed, well prepared, well executed. Also, we can say.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Through
yes,
this,
sir. Right, sir.
through this our platform, I have to say thanks to my son, because without him I can't do all these things.
Yeah.
So
Personally, I
really,
would
I
like
don't
to
know
thank
how
your
to.
son. Personally, I would like to thank your son on behalf of our Weekend Institute family. Thanks, a great to
Okay,
help
sir. Thank you.
our lovely Santa madam to make this session more interesting.
Yes.
So tomorrow's
Yes,
our
really very
host
interesting.
is Kalpana madam. Okay, actually, Nagesh, this is the turn of the Nageshwar, but he's not ready because he's going to change his mobile. So Kalpana madam, then Nageshwar, Mr. Nageshwar sir, then Sheila madam. According to seniority, you all will get chance to.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
We will
Okay.
eagerly
Okay,
wait
Geeta
for
madam.
our
How
turn.
can I forget Geeta madam then? Geeta madam. Yes, I forget Geeta madam. I'm sorry, really sorry, Geeta madam. And I think she did not speak today.
Yes, sir. Really, I'm also saying
Yes.
I came late. I came late today. In the
Oh,
second session.
yeah.
Santa ma'am, you really done
nice.
very good, very
Yeah,
well
nice,
done. But
nice session,
I had
madam.
today I had some network issues, so I couldn't hear properly. But still, I was here. I was there.
Okay. So tomorrow your turn, okay, madam? Tomorrow you have
Okay,
to
sir.
host
Okay.
this program.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Monday I can do.
Monday, okay. Monday is
Monday.
Raksha Bandhan, so I.
Mondays off.
Yeah.
So Monday is a holiday.
Monday, I have 6 sisters, my dear friends. I have real 6 sisters. Okay.
Oh, so
I
lucky,
have real
sir.
6 sisters.
Wow,
3
you are so
elder
lucky.
and
also
3
so
younger. 3 elder sisters and 3 younger sisters. 5 of them live in Ahmedabad and 1 lives in Rajasthan.
You should buy gifts for them.
Sir, also in the platform, yeah, so many sisters are there.
Yeah, brothers, sisters are there.
Yeah. So we have 1 minute left. So who is ready to give the thankful speech now? Okay, yeah. No one is ready today. My God, all are
May I,
silent.
sir?
Yeah, Ilarani then.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we had a great session today. I would like to thanks to Prakash sir and also our lovely ma'am, Santa ma'am. I am grateful to her that the way she conclude the today's session, and we all get chance to speak and share our thought, and we learned so many new things today. So thank you, ma'am, so much. And thank you all to participate today's session. And thank you so much, sir. And thank you all.
Okay, so put your hands together for Santa madam. Excellent job, really.
Yes.
Great.
Thank you,
sir. Thank
So our time is over.